Do you want to create amazing videos like this? Then Pikalab is here to help you. Pikalab just dropped their new free AI video generator, which is Pika 1.0. It can create text to video, image to video, video to video, expand your video, edit in the video, zoom in and zoom out the video, and lots of other new feature where you can create crazy video like this, and it's all for free and unlimited. So watch this video till the end to learn all the amazing features that Pika 1.0 can offer you. So let's dive into the new Pika 1.0 AI video.
Alright guys, so to use this new video generator, first you need to come to this pika.art website here and just log in with your Google account and you will be good to go. So after coming to this website, you will have this interface here, which is Explore and My Library. Explore is what other people are making here, and the My Library is where you are going to generate your own video here. So this is the My Library, and I have created lots of video here. And there's the option to describe your story, which is the text to video. So if you want to create some video, you have to give the text here, then it will create start to video, and here is some video option of the settings here. So if I click on this video option, here you can see there's the aspect ratio. You can choose different aspect ratio to your video and select what kind of ratio that you want to use. For right now, I'm going to choose 16.9, and here's the frames per second. So higher the frames, the better the video here. So I'm just going to choose the 24. And here is the motion control option. Here you got pan left to right, also tilt up and down, rotate, and zoom in and zoom out option, which I already shown in the video. And here's the strength of the motion. So we're gonna check it out in this video. We're going to just use the one step motion, and here's the parameters here. You can also add some negative prompt where something you don't want to see your video, for example ugly, bad, terrible. And this is the consistency with the text. So I have found that if you reduce your consistency, the video is better here. So first let's create a video. So for example, I have just put a simple prompt here, a horse running in the field, and just select create here, and it will start to generating my video. Now as you can see, my video has been made here and it's look pretty amazing here. And if you want to download this video, you can see there's the option of download here. And here as you can see, there's a lot of options: retry, reprompt, edit, add 4 seconds, and upscale here. So if you click on retry, it will just start to make another video of the same prompt that I provided in the website here. And here's another option of reprompt. You can change the prompt here, and also there's an option called edit here. So if I go to this edit option, and you can see there's the option called modify region and expand canvas. I've already shown you what expand canvas can do. So you can expand the canvas like 1:1, 5:2, 4:5, and there's a lot of other aspect ratio. For example, if I just choose this video to this aspect ratio, and my video will be changed into this aspect ratio, as you can see. And there's an option called add 4 seconds here. So you can also extend the video. So here's a video of 3 seconds here, and here's a video of the extended version with the 11 seconds here. And there's also option of upscale here, and here's the video without upscale, and here's the video with the upscale version. And this is the video after retrying the same prompt here. And there's a cool feature in the edit option. If you click on this modify region, and this will allow you to choose the edit in the video. So for example, if I want this words to be white, you just have to choose this canvas here, and then you have to describe what you want in the video. So as you can see, after editing in the video, I told the generator to make the words white. For some reason it make it pink, so sometimes it doesn't work in the edit in the video, but this is a cool feature to use if you use it properly. And this is the video that I first make with the motion 1 strength, and here is a video that I created with the motion 4 strength. You can see there's a lot of different in the motion here. The last thing that I want to show you is that image or video. You can create image to video or video to video. So what you need to do is just click on this image and upload the image here. So after uploading an image, you just have to click on the start button, and it will start to generate the video. And this is the video that make from my image here. So this is the image here, and this is the video. And also here you can create video to video. So you just have to upload a video, and here's the video, and I give the command to make it picture style. And this is the video here to video to video. So that's it guys, this is the basic complete guide of the Pika lab here. You can create lots of AI video here. It's completely free right now and unlimited. So if you want to learn more about this Pika lab here, I'll create more video about it and how to use the prompt guide to make proper video here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.